In this video, I will show you how to fix one of the most annoying issues, Face ID not working. This problem might occur if your iPhone was exposed to water, which is what happened in my case, causing my Face ID to stop functioning. But I will show you 3 steps to fix your Face ID. Here's what you can do. Turn off your iPhone immediately. I highly recommend not turning it back on right away, as this could lead to further damage to the motherboard. Step number 2. Place the iPhone in sunlight. Make sure the device is completely turned off before doing this. Leave it in sunlight for 3 to 4 hours. This might help fix the issue. Step number 3. Turn the iPhone back on and check power updates. After waiting, turn on your iPhone, go to settings and look for any available updates. If an update is available, make sure to install it. By following these steps, there is a good chance your Face ID will be fixed. Thanks for watching.